Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video we are going to walk through how to apply an e-visa, or in other terms you can say an online visa for tourism to travel to Madagascar. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have opened this e-visa website of this Madagascar country. So the very first thing I would suggest, like, go to FAQ, because a lot of questions that you have, like the cost, that comes under about e-visa link. So with this, like steps, fee, and other things, could get through, like the steps you need to follow and all other piece of information that you're really looking for. You can find it over there. And once you are confirmed that you are going to follow this, click on apply. You come to this page. So when you come here for the very first time, you need to register first. You need to put first name, email, phone number, a password, and confirm, and click on register. So I'm going to do this, then I'm going to see you guys. So what happens is, like, after you put your details, it sends a validation code to your email that you need to put in order to complete registration process. And when you log in, that time again it does send another code to your email account in order to get in. So once you come here, you have this process here. You can for the very first time, click on make a new application. Okay, so you need to do as per your own case. I'm just putting sample name, native country, gender, app country that issued this passport. You have other options too, but ordinary passport, general passport is by default. Put your passport number, put your passport number again, nationality, date, issue, your sample I'm putting. Declaration. Okay, next. This is system is about visa. Expect day of arrival. Let's say I'm coming in June. Departures. Departure. Oh, I'm just because of this. Some validation is going through. 7 days before the departure. Oh, yeah. Let's select. Okay. Oh, 7 days. I understood what I was doing wrong. No worries. Oh, yeah. Definitely it's wrong. 31 June that I should put July. Perfect. Yeah. Port of entry. Do it as per your own case. Validate. Now you need to go for proceed to payment, but of course I'm not gonna do that. but you got an idea how to do this. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.